Okay, last time we got you all set up with Dexter, got your screen ready to write, and now it's time to actually make the bot. I like to think of bot writing a little bit like script writing for a play. In addition to the dialogue, which is super important, you also have some basic instructions. In a play, it might be, character crosses stage left. In the bot script, it might be a little bit more like, depending on what the human says, we'll do something different. So we're going to dive into actually writing the bot script. And I'm going to cruise along here pretty quickly. We will go back and review some of the essentials for writing in this platform. So don't worry, let's cruise along and see what it's like to actually write a bot.
So here's our blank bot writing page in Dexter, and the first thing to know is that anything a human might say starts with a plus sign and a space. So a human might say hi, and then the bot says, "Hello, human." I can test this out right away by just going down to the other corner over here, which has got a little fake phone. And if I type hi, the bot says, "Hello, human." So that's working. So the hi part here is called a trigger. And what I'm going to do is make a bot that'll answer any questions or some questions about a topic I know about. You should pick a topic you know about and make a bot and ask me anything bot 2. I'm going to say I'm a bot that can answer your questions about Star Island, just something I know a little bit about. Ask me anything. So if the user says hi, I give a description of the bot, which is really helpful, what the bot can do and what it's for. And I'm just going to put in 3 possible questions. So somebody might ask, where is Star Island? And here's the answer. Notice that the plus sign lines, which we call triggers, are all in lowercase and don't have any punctuation. That's really important. Even this last one, what's on Star Island, it's all lowercase. There's no punctuation. Sometimes for journalists, it's hard not to use the punctuation and to not uppercase things, so got to try to remember that. Let's go down to the phone again and try a couple of our questions. So let's say, where is Star Island? Ha, it worked. And how do you get there? That worked too. All right. And what's on Star? Here I can actually use capitals and punctuation. It will still work correctly. That's intended. But it's always also really good to have some way to get a user some help. So let's add a help trigger. They might say help, the word help. And then the answer here, it's not going to be very helpful, but just type a question and I'll give it my best shot. So if I go over here and type help, that works, but help me, that doesn't work. Oops. Okay, so we fixed that by putting a special notation in front of help here, a square bracket and a star. We put it behind help too. That means any words can go before or after help, and it'll work, it'll match. So help me, that works, that's great. But something random like wee, that still gives us an error. So we have to catch that. Anything that the bot doesn't recognize can be caught with a star, which means any word. And here I'm just going to say, I'm sorry, I don't understand that question. So then anything that doesn't match above, like wee, will get that. That can get a little repetitive though. So if I say, hey there, I get the same exact answer. So one way to fix that is to put another minus sign here, and I can add another response. Can even do a third one, and the bot will pick randomly from all of the possible responses. So here, if I say, wow, okay, I got the first one. And then if I say, wee, yep, there we go. I get a different response.
So that was a quick run through about how to make a bot inside Dexter. I went pretty quickly, and so there are some details that I want to go over again a little bit more carefully. So next time we'll do that. We'll walk very, very carefully through some of these basic commands to make sure that you have them, and so you don't run into errors and problems along the way.